Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new collection from Makartt. This is their Always Enchanted collection, and this collection is just so gorgeous overall. And this video is also long overdue, so I'm finally going to dig into this package. And the first thing, as you can see, was a little slipper, and I feel like that just ties in so perfect to like the Enchanted. And also this potion bottle full of glitters, like these was just so pretty, because when I think of Enchanted, I think of like Disney princesses and just things like that. So the next thing that comes in this kit are some press-ons, and this is their gold and pinkish set. The press-on nails come in two different sizes. They come in short and a longer size, and my nieces are always asking me to do their nails, so I actually might just give them the shorter ones. I'm not really into short nails like that. But here's what's inside the press-on nail package. It comes with the press-on nails and also a little prep package. It comes with an alcohol pad to dehydrate and clean your nails, and then it also comes with some nail glue, a nail file with a buffer on the other side, some little sticky tabs, and also a wooden cuticle pusher to prep your nails before you apply the nail tips. And then it also comes with 10 different sizes, 2 of each size, so you do have enough to do both hands. And then this is their blue ones. These are very pretty. It comes with like some light blue and a darker blue. And then also here's the back of the packaging. It just has this cute little message here, and then also the instructions. So the next thing is in this kit is this Always Enchanted 6-color gel polish set, and these colors just look so pretty. And also these are from Awesome Color, and this is just like a secondhand brand from Makartt, and these are all of the colors coming straight out the packaging. And then I like the little round bottles. I feel like they're more comfortable to hold in your hand, but that's just me. So I'm going to get into all of the colors, but I'm not going to show the actual swatch. I didn't want this video to be so long, but I am going to show you all of the colors. So I did notice all the colors seem a little bit sheer, except for the last two colors, which is this beautiful blossom color here, and then the next blue color, which is called Jasmine. And this is only one coat of all of the colors. I didn't feel like I needed to add a second one because all of these colors are super pretty. So here's all of the colors side by side. So the last thing that comes in this kit is this all-in-one gel polish starter kit, and this kit comes with so much goodies. So I'm just going to open up and show you guys everything that comes inside, and then I went ahead and moved the box just so that the box wouldn't be in my way and I could show you guys everything that comes inside. So the first thing we see are these stickers, and these stickers are like watermelons, lemons, chili peppers, and like I'm not sure why they included this because it doesn't really match the Enchanted theme. And then it also comes with like these little ice cream stickers, cupcakes, lollipops, and donuts. And these stickers give me like their Sweet Cravings collection vibes, but these are still pretty too. And then it also comes with like the little sticky tabs to apply some temporary nails, and then it also comes with some full cover nail tips. Now these are just 10 full cover nail tips. This won't be enough to do your entire set because you won't have the matching size for the other hand, but you always can order some from their website. And then it comes with some little alcohol pads or like some little surface cleaners. And then it comes with a little file with a buffer on the other side, and this is just so pretty. I love the aesthetic of it. And then you also get some nail glue, and then you also get a little wooden cuticle pusher to do your prep before applying the nails. And then lastly, it comes with this little mini light, and this light is just so cute. So here is where you turn on the light. You just press the little button on top, and here is the underside. It just has one little light, and this light is perfect for like flash curing because like it doesn't take up too much space. And then it also has the little USB cord to plug in. And then I said lastly for this, but there's some more stuff in this. So we get a base and top coat, and at first I thought this was going to be like a black and white gel polish because I ended up having to do this unboxing like 3 times, and like I didn't really look at it until I actually filmed this one. So we also get 2 more colors, and this is just the same colors that came in the other gel polish set, so that's nice. I get an extra one, I guess. And then here is the swatches for both colors. As I told you guys before, this is only 1 coat. And then I went ahead and plugged up the little light so you guys can see how it works. And if you are interested in anything from Makartt, you can purchase with my discount code. There's a sale happening right now. You get 20% off, and then you also can use my discount code for an additional 15% off. So make sure to check them out. I will leave the link down below. So here on my nail stand, I have some Enailcoutoure Extreme Square full cover nail tips. And then I'm going to be taking the little nail file that came in the starter kit. I'm just going to be removing the little nail tab from the tips of all of the nails before I go in with my application. And then I have some glitters, and these glitters are from the Makartt Ocean Couture decorating set. I will leave that link down below. And I have these iridescent in this pink color, and I'm going to be applying that inside the nail tip. So I'm taking this basic base coat, and I'm going to be putting some of that inside the pinky nail first, just so that I can place on the glitters. And I'm just going to be doing like a glitter ombre. So I'm going to be focusing most of the glitters at the tip of the nail, and then gradually fading it up towards the cuticle area. Then I'm also going to be doing that for the index finger as well. Just so that this process can go by a little bit faster, I am taking turns placing these nails inside the nail light. Since I am repeating the same steps on both nails, once I finish one nail, I put that inside the light and then repeat it on the others. Once I have my glitters cured in place, I'm just taking that base coat once again and just putting a layer on top of the glitters, just so that I can seal those in, and then I'm going to cure those once again. And then this is how the nails are looking so far. So I didn't know what I was going to do to finish the glitter nails, so I went ahead and just moved on to the other ones. So I'm taking this pink color, which is called Princess, and I'm just going to be painting the rest of the nails with this color, and these colors just go on so smooth. I love how these apply. I'm just going to be putting a layer of this color on each of the other nails, curing them for 60 seconds, and then I will get on to the rest of the design. And then after all of those were cured, this is how the nails are looking so far. So what I just ended up doing, I'm just taking that same princess color, and I'm just putting some inside the nail tip to make an ombre. So I'm focusing more of this color around the cuticle area, and then I'm just fading that down into the glitters so that the tip of the nail is like still clear. And I'm just going to be doing that. I'm doing 2 layers. So once I cure this, I'm going to repeat that on the pinky. I'm not going to be showing the pinky, so I'm just going to be showing you guys both layers of this index finger. And here is me adding the second coat. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And after curing both of the nails, this is how the nails are looking so far. So I went ahead and took some of that pink glitters, and I just poured some onto my nail palette, as you can see. And I'm going to be taking this come out on top coat, and I'm going to be going over the entire thumbnail because I'm going to be placing some of those glitters onto this wet base gel. And I could have just applied the glitters, but my reason for me pouring them out on my nail plate is because I wanted these specific circles and like hexagon shapes, and I'm just going to be putting those like randomly on the nail. And once I get them placed how I like, I'm just going to cure that in the nail light, and then I'm also going to be doing the same exact thing for my ring finger. And then as always, I make sure to wipe the side so that the base coat doesn't take away from my shape. And then once I had those cured, I'm taking this matte top coat from Melanie Susie, and then I'm going over that so that I can mattify this nail. And then like I said, I'm just going to cure that and repeat that entire process on my ring finger. And then once I had all of those cured, this is how the nails are looking so far. And then I have one more step to do, so I decided to use the little cupcake nail stickers on my middle finger, and I'm just going to be taking some tweezers and just placing some of the stickers randomly on the nail. I kind of wish I could have came up with like an Enchanted design, but this is the only thing I could think of. So yeah, I'm just going to be placing these stickers randomly on the nail. And after filling in the little cupcakes and stuff, I just added some little hearts in the random spaces just to fill up any of that empty space. And then I'm just going to add a juicy layer of top coat just to seal in these stickers. And that's pretty much it for this design. I cured that, and then I applied those using my Gershon clear poly gel, and then I added my cuticle oil. I added a top coat to my index and pinky nail, and this is how the nails turned out. These are super pretty, super simple and cute. I like these little nail stickers. This whole collection is just so bomb, so gorgeous. So if you are interested in this, please make sure to go check them out right now while they're having a sale, and then you also can get 15% off using my discount code. Comment down below what you guys think of this nail set, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.